Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a form in ClickUp. I have opened this list of projects, and what I'll do is I'll go ahead and create a form by clicking on view here. Okay, you see this plus icon view? Go ahead and click on this. Click on form right here, and this will open up a pop-up here. There we go. Now we have different types of forms we can go ahead and create, right? You can choose one of these. This is a template they have available, or you can go ahead and create one from scratch. We'll do that. So we'll create one from scratch right here. So let's say for this list, project 1, we'll name this videos form. If you want, you can add a description for the newer people to understand what this is about. Now here you could add a question, okay? And you can first, of course, add a task property, for example, task name, task description. So we're asking them what it is. So the task name, what would the task name be, right? Maybe the name of the video. So they'll put that in. So video's name or video name, okay? So anything that has an asterisk like this is a must for them to fill. It's nothing optional. It's required. If you want to get rid of this, make it optional, just uncheck this, okay? All right, there we go. Now we can add another question if you would like. We can also go ahead and add start dates and due dates. So if I click on add question right here, hover over dates, look at this, start date, right? So we have that right here. And let's make this required, or we can make this optional if you would like, just by unchecking that. Now add another question. So it'll be the due date. So come here to due date. There we go. Of course, you can easily rearrange anything. You know, place them right here. This one goes there, and do things like that. Okay. I'll just go ahead and rearrange this, and let's go ahead and add an assignee. So come to add question, and here if we go to people, we are able to map this to assignees. So whoever this will be assigned to. Okay. There we go. This one, I'll keep it required as a question. Of course, at any point in time, you want to change this label, just go ahead and click on it, and you can go ahead and edit that as well. And next, I'll also show you how to change the colors and things like that. But let me show you this question thing again. So we have all of these options. You can customize as you please for your ClickUp form. They give you a lot of different options. If I come here to settings, this is where the task will be created in project 1. That is okay. And then if you want, you can go ahead and change the layouts as well. If you want to make it one column, there we go. That is what it would look like, but you would need a business a plus for that. You can, of course, change the colors. Let's say you want a theme like that. You can change the background colors, which you'll need business plus for as well. They also have options for button colors. You can change as well, which require business plus. But if you want a simple form for your team or yourself, you can do that for free. So this is what my simple form currently looks like. And just come here and click on preview. Make sure this is toggled on so it's published. And you just need to go ahead and copy this link and just share it with people. You know, you want to share with your team or your clients, your stakeholders, just click on copy link, right? What you could also do, ClickUp offers you an option to embed the code. If you want to embed, the form on a website or external page, you just click on the drop-down arrow, select copy code. And you're done. It's really that easy and simple.